Amelia found Mommy's magazine, and this is what she does with it. Little Miss Destructive here. She's trying to rip it. Wow. Wow. Look at that paper fly, huh? Amelia, here you go. There it is. It ripped. There you go. Yay, you ripped it. Oh my goodness. 7 months old tomorrow. And destroying things already. Yeah, it broke in half. Good girl.